Next, I will demonstrate how to install X1 onto the helmet for everyone. First, remove all the lining of our helmet. Then take out the two brackets from our X1 motorcycle headset package. This X1 motorcycle headset has two types of brackets, one is a plug-in type and the other is a 3M adhesive type. You can choose the suitable bracket according to your helmet type. So our helmet can be installed a metal bracket. Find the corresponding position and push it inward to complete the installation. Take out our X1 main unit and install the bracket at the back onto the corresponding position. Gently push down to complete the installation. To remove the main unit, press the lock above and push it upwards. So our X1 main unit has installed. Then take out our speaker wire and connect it to the Type-C connector of the main unit. Just plug it in tightly. Stick the headset with the shorter wire to the ear pocket that close to the main unit. Stick the headset with the longer wire to the ear pocket on the other side far away from the main unit. So our speaker section has installed. Then take out our microphone section. It includes the button microphone and boom microphone. If you have a 3/4 helmet or modular helmet, choose a boom mic. For a full helmet, use our soft mic. Connect the plug of the soft microphone to the speaker wire and tighten it. Then stick the microphone to the side of the helmet mouth. Finally, tidy up our headset/mic cables inside the helmet, put back all our lining. Now our X1 motorcycle headset have installed.